So this Palmira Siargao started from a betrayal. So nag-start siya because of trust na gihatag nako sa isa ka trusted sa isa ka branch sa Luzon. And just to recover, I wanted to sell this property. But then, sometimes our plan is not the plan of God. So, when I started to plan of like selling, we have a lot of meeting with RTMs and other buyers. But then suddenly there's one person and one of our incorporators from Cebu, which is the owner of our office here, Jed Tan, and he's not around right now, but tonight, naa siya. He's the one open up my mind, and according to him, ma'am, a lot of developer that walay lupa. Siargao is very nice na, and dili ko katuo since I grew up in Siargao without water. No, I grew up in Siargao na maghuwat mi og muuwan tungod kay mautoy amo imnon, no, and walay transportation. That's why dugay ko wala na uli sa Siargao. When I go back to Siargao during the pandemic time, when I saw the development in Siargao, that's the start that I salute Mayor JR. Because my father is a politician also, no? My late father is a politician. Then nakita na ko unsa gyud kalisod in Siargao with the mayor na grabe ka brilliant na ayo niya start ang Del Carmen. So diha nagsugod ang Palmira Siargao with the collaboration of our beloved mayor, with the vision nga gihatag ni Mayor sa Del Carmen, and of course the whole Siargao nun. So this project, again, according to RTMs, this is not ordinary development. This is a community, no, humanitarian na matabang, not only for Del Carmen but for the whole Siargao. So we are new developer, but I believe that all developers started from the beginning. So same with us. So I hope and I pray that you will continue to pray for us, and of course to the partners or contractors from Davao and from Manila and from Cebu. So the contractors itself is nationwide, no? So of course, and also our partners from US, our investors from Europe, and the Palmira Siargao will soon rise in Del Carmen. Thank you and good afternoon.